Primary sources. Primary sources can be original documents, newspaper articles, advertisements, artwork, and other original documents are all considered primary sources. Each original document was created with a specific purpose and for a specific audience, so care should be taken when analyzing them. Advertisements are an interesting category of primary sources. Print, audio, or video advertisements are designed to create a connection between a product and the intended consumer. They are often informational and provide insight into what the concerns and interests were at the time of their creation. However, they can be very biased or prejudiced and may not be relevant to the modern student. Newspapers are another type of primary document. They can be written by a specific news outlet for a specific purpose. They are generally factual, but can show bias due to political or other factors. They are often multimodal and even available online. Written for the general population to understand, newspapers are good primary sources for creating a general sense of the time period. Photographs and film are a different kind of primary source. Visual and audio records created by those present at the time being studied. It can be difficult to determine the relationship between the creator and what is in the photograph or film and what their biases may be. Language is less important to the interpretation than in written documents. Photographs and film can be scripted or staged. They can also be compared to other sources of the time to develop a bigger picture of the event. Oral histories. They're usually obtained through planned interviews. They demonstrate personalized history, including opinions and biases, which can also be subject to the failing of memory. Oral histories demonstrate perspective that can be incomplete. Sometimes this is intentional, and sometimes it is unintentional. Often, individuals may withhold information or distort a recollection in order to avoid uncomfortable situations. Oral histories are subject to the bias and reworking of the historian or interviewer conducting the interview.